Minister wa Ũgendi Rebecca Miano oigĩte makĩria ma andũ 7,000 arĩa mahutĩtio nĩ haro gatagatĩ ka andũ na nyamũ nĩmekũrĩhwo hathara. Akiaria kaunti-inĩ ya Samburu hĩndĩ ya mũthenya wa gũkũngũĩra Munyi, Minister Miano oigĩte mwaka mũhĩtũku andũ makĩria ma 10,000 nĩ marĩhirwo hathara na mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 4.
I have assured Samburu County and other counties that are affected by human-wildlife conflict that we are working on compensation. Earlier in the year, His Excellency launched a compensation drive in Rumuruti, and we have promised that the next one that we are working on, we will bring it here in Samburu.
Miano ningĩ nĩ orĩtie a Kenya kũnyitanĩra na ministry yake gũthaitĩra nyamũ cia gĩthaka nĩguo kũgacĩrithia ũgendi.
The agenda of the Kenya Kwanza government is to involve communities in the wildlife compensation and eventually even bring wildlife economy to becoming alive, and I think the days ahead are promising.
Hii mnyama pia iko na threats from outside. Sasa zingine tunapata hata mambo ya intelligence kwamba kuna watu wanataka kunyemelea. Kwa hivyo usiku na mchana tuko na wale rangers ambao wanafanya patrols ndani na nje. Monitors wanafanya ndani, security rangers wanafanya nje. Kwa hivyo wanahakikisha kila kona ya fence inashungwa hata usiku.
Ciĩgiĩ woyani wa arangĩri a nyamũ cia gĩthaka Miano oigĩte kaunti iria cikoragwo na DA nĩkuo arangĩri aingĩ mareheagwo mawĩra.
WS in taking the rangers that are already in training, Samburu County and the counties that are host to wildlife were actually given a bigger quota than the other counties, and that will be what we'll be doing in future, and we look forward to working with all the community.
Kameme TV ngĩkũhe ũhoro Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.